Once you've inserted the YouTube video into your Google slide, and once you click on the YouTube video, you will see the format options towards the right side. One important thing which I want to mention in this tutorial, the rest you can check for yourself, and that is the video playback. Once you will click that, the interesting thing is that you can even add the start and end time, meaning by that if you just want to show a small clip from the YouTube video, you can just give the start and end time of that clip, and you can also select whether the audio should be there or it should be a mute audio. I'll just show you the demonstration before I show you how you can insert the YouTube video into the Google Slides. I'll just take from 20 seconds and till 30 seconds, and I'll keep the mute audio, and now I will go to the slideshow. So once I'll click this video, as you can see that the video has started from 20 seconds and it will finish at 30 seconds because I've just taken the 10 seconds clip from this video and I just wanted to show this 10 seconds of clip. So this is also a feature which I find it very handy, and I just wanted you to know before I show you how you can add the YouTube video into your Google Slide. So now the method which I'm going to show you, I'll just delete this previous video first. So to insert the YouTube video into your Google Slides, you need to go to the insert, then click video, and from here there is an option of search. You can search the YouTube video. You can, if you know the URL, you can just add the URL, but since I do not have the URL right now, I'll just click a random video and I'll click select. The video will be inserted. I can drag the video somewhere in the center, and I can also resize manually, while these options are also there here in the size and rotation and position, and also the drop shadow. But the important option is this video playback. You can just take the small clip from the video and you can also select the audio, or you can just keep the audio mute. So let me show you once again. So you need to click on the YouTube link and the video will start. If you're learning the Google Slides, I've just made a tutorial for the beginners that how you can delete a slide from the Google Slides in your mobile, and that video would be displayed in the end screen card right now. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.